Tony sees the world so gray. Trash and smoke are in the way. He feels something's wrong, but he stays strong. He will save the day with a broom in his small hand. Tony makes a cleaning plan. Step by step he goes. Everyone now knows he will help the land. Picking trash from ground below. Tony works both fast and slow, putting in the bin with a happy grin. Clean starts now to show. Sweeping roads so nice and clean, making everything serene. Dust is gone away, bright becomes the day, best it's ever been. Dirty water now turns clear. Tony cleans it with great care. Fish can swim again, happy once again. Life is coming near. Tiny trees begin to grow. Tony plants them row by row. Green is everywhere, fresh and clean air. Nature starts to glow. Sorting waste the proper way. Tony learns it every day. Plastic, paper too, he knows what to do. Recycling saves the day. Sweeping roads so nice and clean, making everything serene. Dust is gone away, bright becomes the day, best it's ever been. Shining bright and new. Tony smiles at the view, colors everywhere, fresh and clean air. Dreams have come true, animals return with cheer. Birds and butterflies are here. Nature sings again in the sun and rain. Joy is very has made the world so right. Clean and green we see, happy earth will be shining in the light.